Hello, this is Margaret, an Alabama prepper. I just wanted to give a quick update on our weather pertaining to the storm. If you can see, our wind that we're having today, I don't know if this is from the storm or if it's from the trough that's coming down, but that has come down. They're predicting us to have 35-mile-an-hour winds today. We were spared from the storm, thank the good Lord, but pray for Florida. Looks like the storm is going to go in at Fort Myers and may be a Category 5 when it goes in. A very devastating storm. But we were spared. Now they say our wind today, we can be get 35-mile-an-hour gust, and it is really whipping it up here. Our trees are really, I was trying to get our trees, you can see we're really getting some pretty strong winds this morning. But anyhow, we were spared the storm. We need the rain. It's been about 3 weeks since we've had any rain. No rain in the forecast. It's dry here. We're under a red flag warning. This wind being this way is not gonna help us any. It's just gonna drive things out that much worse. But anyhow, pray for the people in Florida. Devastating storm. But just wanted to give you a quick update on our weather, let you know that we're okay, we're fine. Just gonna be real windy here. Thank y'all, and you have a blessed day.